Today's topic is microadventures, breaking the routine and finding clarity in nature. Sometimes the most meaningful conversations happen when you step away from the familiar and reconnect with the world around you. Recently, I took a client on a bespoke coaching adventure, an overnight camping trip where we slept in fancy hammocks in the woods. This wasn't just an escape into nature, it was an opportunity to create space for deep, transformative conversations. Out there, with no rush or distractions, we could dive deep and find clarity. These microadventures with coaching are about using new environments to spark new perspectives, and they're tailored just for you. Imagine hammock camping under the stars, rafting down a river, hiking through scenic trails, wild swimming, or even a reflective walk through the city. Each experience is designed to set the stage for powerful life coaching, allowing us to strip back the noise and focus on what truly matters. If you're ready to break out of the routine and experience a transformative adventure, let's talk.